Let's go ahead and dive in on how we can create stellar product descriptions for our e-commerce products. To begin generating our product descriptions, we need to start in this text box. Let's say we are a store owner who wants to sell handmade bamboo chairs. So let's go down here and give it a prompt. And I'm going to type in, write a detailed product description of a handmade bamboo chair made sustainably. As you can see, it gave us a few paragraphs and a great detailed product description. But how can we see more results and change up the format and overall approach? Well, with this next prompt, we can ask it to generate multiple product descriptions and give it even different types of detail. I'm going to type in, you are an expert e-commerce marketer. Write me 5 product descriptions selling a handmade bamboo chair with each one varying in its approach. And I'm going to give it a little bit more instructions here. Within each product description, include these 4 things. Number 1, focus on your ideal buyer who is interested in sustainability and handmade products. Appeal to your reader's imagination of where bamboo originated from. Seduce with sensory words describing the product and entice customers with the benefits of handmade wood. And see, we get a different output with the description we are aiming for. It's all about instructing the AI to get what you want out of it. And there you have it, folks. Enjoy using Chat.